this video, we are going to learn about how to create a student registration form by using HTML editor window. Okay. For that, first you have to go and click on the title. After choosing the title, you go and click on the properties tab in the right side. Here you can change the label name as students registration form. Okay. Then you can set the position center and change the font size as 26. Then you can come for Elements tab. Here you can choose text field. Now the length is more. Okay. For that you can go for Properties. Here you can change the label name as name. Then you can go for width and choose 50% width. Then next you can go for Elements tab. Choose number. And here also you can go for Properties and change the label as roll number. Then change the width as 50%. Again you can come for Elements tab. Choose radio button. Next you can go for Properties of the radio button and change the label name as gender. Here the options is available: radio 1, radio 2, radio 3. First I will change the radio 1 as male and radio 2 as female. Then the radio 3 you have to delete. So choose and click the minus symbol. Then you can go for Elements. Now you can choose drop down. After choosing the drop down option, you can go for Properties. Here you can change the label name as class and go for Options. Here we have three options: option 1, option 2, option 3. Now I will change the option 1 as select a class. Then option 2 as 11th standard, option 3 as 12th standard. Next you can go for Elements tab. Here you can choose checkboxes. After choosing checkboxes, you can go for Properties and change the label name as subject. Here the check 1, I am changing the option physics. Check 2, I will rename as chemistry. Check 3, I will rename as economics. Next I want to add one more, not one more, I have to add few more check boxes. So I have to click on this plus sign. Next I will give business maths. Again I am adding one checkbox and I am giving computer science. Then commerce. Then biology. Statistics. Then at last math. Okay. Next you can go for form options. Here you have to choose the color for the form. Okay. Now the color is applied to the form. Okay. Then after you can go to preview option and see the preview. Here you have to enter the name, roll number, and you can choose the gender and select the class, and you have to choose the subject. Okay. Here this is the option button. So you have to choose only one. In the checkbox you have to check more than one option. Okay. So after choosing everything you have to click on submit button. Now it is okay. So this is how you have to create a student registration form in the editor window. Okay. Thank you children.